Hey guys, and welcome back to another one. This is Crypto Elite, home to the #1 Theta community. And if you like this content, please like and subscribe to the channel. In this video, it is going to be another monthly earnings update. Before I get there though, I do want to continue with this, which is the brand new NFT that I am going to release to the community. So right now I am going to beta test it, and I'm only going to sell 20 of them. But with this NFT will come a lot of premium content, exclusive videos, and it's almost going to be a DAO, a decentralized autonomous organization, where there's community and governance as well. And it's all going to be based around this Theta stakings. So right now we get a general overview of how much you can earn from these different TNT20 tokens as well as Theta. Gpool gives a good example of it. So for example, Theta, you get about 9% APR. TFUEL, you get about 8%. If you go over to T-Bill, you get about 50%, which is awesome. And then Bullet gives you about 30%. So with this first portion of the NFT and community, I'm going to be looking at several different TNT20 tokens and Theta as well to see where you can get the best APR in the overall Theta ecosystem. And I'm just going to keep this in the Theta ecosystem. So to the best of my knowledge, no one has a good answer for that or how to do it. So I kind of want to walk people through it as well as give good chronological data as far as how much you can earn or not earn over the period of time. And I'm also going to cue into the price of the price fluctuations, because that's one thing that all of these different APRs don't account for, is that fluctuation of price as well. So that is what I'm going to do. If you're interested in this, please hit me up. I'm going to start this out with email. So the best way to find my email is through this link right here, which is cryptoeliteofficial@gmail.com. I'm also going to post it in the description below. It's going to cost 200 TFUEL initially for these first 20 NFTs. And then I have to make a shout out to Austin Paticos. I was hitting him up left and right for the better part of a week, and he was able to supply me. He did all the coding. He wanted to create a website, but maybe in the future we'll create a website for this. But I definitely want to give a shout out for him to help me create this. I definitely could not have done it without him. And if you're unfamiliar, he has done a lot in the overall Theta ecosystem. So with that being said, let's get into the Theta stakings earnings for this previous month, which was August. And once again, if you're unfamiliar with this journey, I have invested in both Theta and TFUEL, and I post my earnings regularly. That's why I think it's good for a decentralized autonomous organization or a community. We can kind of come together and see what to do with these earnings, because one thing I mentioned in my previous video was I've done a very poor job of reinvesting my earnings. Of course, I'm getting from staking Theta and staking TFUEL, I'm earning TFUEL, but I'm kind of just letting that TFUEL sit in the account. I have, of course, used it to purchase some NFTs, which has been very, very fruitful. But I think for the most part, I'm not doing a very good job of being active with that money. So that's why I want the community to, one, help me utilize that TFUEL that I have received from the staking. So I've put about $8,500 down, about $5,000 in Theta throughout a couple different averaging in, and then also about 3,500 down in TFUEL in order to get an elite edge node, of course, with averaging as well. So the monthly TFUEL that I have earned over this past month has been about 71.66. And right now, one thing I forgot to mention is, no, I am not running my own nodes. I used to do that in the past, but now I'm using Gpool services. So I'm staking Theta and TFUEL through Gpool, so I do not have to run my laptop 24/7. So I did want to mention that as well. So the total TFUEL that I have earned over the lifetime of making these videos is about 1,066. Let me change that around real quick. I want that one to be white. Let's make this one white or purple. And then this one to be black. So yes, 1,066 is the total TFUEL that I have earned. And that dollar amount has fluctuated quite a bit, as we'll see here in a little bit. The overall Theta price at the end of the month was about $1.16. So yes, it has been continuing to go down since I've started this video series, but hopefully after the crypto winter, things will start turning around, and that'll help me out with my overall APR as well. So the TFUEL price once again has been sliding down compared to last month as well. Last month it ended the month at around 61 cents, and now we're about or 0.061 cents, excuse me. Now we're at 0.059 cents. The number of transactions is about 579. Does not mean as much. It's just when Gpool pays me out, and that is all due to their algorithms. But the monthly USD that I have earned, and this is once again just a rounding, is taking that TFUEL price at the end of the month and the TFUEL earned at the end of the month, which is about $4.23. So a good average. In the laptop, the amount that I have to pay for that, once again, is $0. I used to, in the past, have to pay a little bit of money for running my laptop 24/7. And the total TFUEL that I have earned is about $62. And what that is factoring is if I just had 1,000 TFUEL, or a little over 1,000 TFUEL, and the price of the current price of TFUEL, which is 0.059, is equivalent to $62.60. However, if I were to go all the way back from the beginning of this, and at the beginning I was making quite a bit of money when the price of TFUEL was up, if I were to convert that money into US dollars, so $14 in the first month, $21 in the second month, $19 in the third month, $32 in the fourth month, or convert it to US dollars or something else, I think I could have made more bang for my buck, because now it's only valued at $62. However, if I were to converted it to USD, it would have been $196. So I think I am missing something. So that is another reason that I would love for the community to come in, and we can come together, put our minds together, and make this work a lot better. So the overall return on Theta and TFUEL, I won't belabor the point. It is very, very low, and the return on the overall investment, once again, is very, very low, as well as the APY is very low. But we are in the crypto winter, and I think all of this will turn around as well. So in summary, guys, these are my earnings, and I do it just to show everyone what they look like. I'm trying to keep this as open as possible. That's why I also would love for you, if you're interested, to sign up for the NFT. Just let me know in the email. It'll be about 200 TFUEL, and I think it's a pretty good opportunity. I look forward to it. I will continue to expand this if there is a lot of interest, but I'm just starting out with 20 people for now. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comments below, and I will see you on the next one.